So avidya, kama, karma. Bhagavan says, therefore, my dear, what happens? Jnanena tu tadajnanam. No, next one we'll see. Ajnanena avrutam jnanam tena muhyanti jantavaha. Punah punah jayate iti jitu. Jnanena tu tadajnanam yesham nashitam Tesham adityavat jnanam prakashayati tatparam. No, we are not going in this 4 days very deep subject of jnanam from Vedanta Drushti with a bhashya, with lot of explanation and all that, because there is no time. We are only giving the outer circle of 5th chapter. That's it. Right, because every shabda, every word is so deep. Remember, a speaker should control his unnecessary anxiety or desire to teach more also. That also makes a speaker restless. That pravritti also very dangerous. Ayya, inike ella theriyume, yaar illa po, yaar kitta soundana po, vango. There is another disturbance in the mind. Another thought is, only 4 days. I have so much to share. There is another kujli, another unnecessary itch. This is called in medical term urticaria. People say, I am so much wise, Swamiji. Nobody utilizes me. Good, no? Be silent in some corner. All elders feel the same thing. They don't know how much knowledge I am gaining in Chinmaya Mission. 88 days, Mahajnanam, Yajna, marathon, all day, so much knowledge. In the house, nobody respects me. On the contrary, on 88th day, they will tell you, please find out any other marathon Yajna from tomorrow. Go and give peace at home. This is a great Desha Seva you are doing by not being at home. Tere ko namaskar, tere jnaan ko namaskar. Nobody is interested. But it doesn't matter that, that kujli in you, you have that itch that I know so much, nobody. Ayyo, this is another Maya. This is another Maya. Please protect yourself. Save yourself from all these horrible thoughts which will make you miserable. Our brahmachari used to be there in Chinmaya Mission. He is no more. Great bhakta of Gurudev. I always remember him, but because for which one thing he always used to tell, from Tamil Nadu only, he used to say, Annappa, don't ask anybody how are you. Why? Well, nobody is fine. And how are you, Keta, Avala? They will mark them, you karam. Na katha solva. All story they will make you listen. And all the story. Therefore, how are you? Then I asked him, yaar, fir kaise wish kaise karoge bichara? Normally, how are you? Only will ask. Then, sir, Mallarga. Then you ask like that only, no? How to ask then? He said, I discovered. He used to make very wonderful. What is that? Immediately, suppose somebody comes, you are fine. How am I? That man will get a shock. Another, you are fine. How am I? And he's going to find it. Goodbye. And then go. Near north direction, now some other direction. Bye. Peace of mind to both. So don't ask how are you. Too much time waste. It's wonderful. Principles of life, I tell you. So therefore, he said, now, Bhagavan says, Jnanena tu tad. Have you chanted another sloka? Yes. Jnanena, Bhagavan says now, tad ajnanam yesham tad ajnanam nashitam. Atmanah ajnanam yesham nashitam. By how what? Jnanena. Those in whom the ignorance of self is destroyed by the knowledge. Listen to me. Knowledge. Tesham. For them, adityavat prakashayati jnanam. Jnanam prakashayati. Yata aditya prakashayati tadavantam. Same. So, tadvat. So, this just as the sun, immediately the clouds are removed and sun is glowing. It is not created there. In Vedanta Sara also it comes, we say that sun is covered by the clouds. Can sun be covered by the clouds? Then why do we say? What is the size of the cloud? First of all, cloud can never cover the sun. The cloud will be nothing. It can't exist before sun. If it reaches the sun, cloud can't exist. But then what we say? The cloud is covering the sun. What should have been said? The cloud is covering my vision. Not the sun. We don't agree our ignorance. We say cloud covering the sun only. What is the size of the sun? What is the nature of the sun? So therefore, when jnanena tad ajnanam yesham nashitam atmana. Nashitam. Completely this ignorance of self is destroyed. How? Only through jnana. In Atma Bodha, Bhagavan Shankar. See one thing. Suppose there is a dark room. Darkest room. And I ask you, please drive away the darkness. So somebody went with tabla and harmony. मेरे अंधकार को दूर करो. In the dark with harmony and tabla, if somebody is singing, others will run away because it's a ghost singing or what. There is no use of singing. What is that you do to drive the darkness? You dance there? Or bhajan? Ram Ram. Kuch bhi andhakar mein. Instead of bhajana, kirtana, whatever sadhana you do, because they are not opposite to karma. Avidya, karma only. So, this avidya is opposite of avidya is not karma. Avidya can be destroyed only by light. Just as darkness is driven only by light, nothing else. Therefore, jnanenevatu kaivalyam. Knowledge means not theoretical knowledge. It is required in the beginning. But this theoretical knowledge we are not speaking. Knowledge is here. This wheel is removed in Tyagaraja. Tyaradiyegarada Rama. Why don't you remove this, oh my dear Ram, this curtain between you and me? When it is removed, this is revealed. So therefore, first intellectual knowledge, buddhi jnanam, then nishchaya jnanam, then afterwards only that awakening is required. How do you awaken? Very great Mahatmas, very simple sadhana, but most effective. Very simple sadhana. What? Always be alert. Alert means what? Awareness. Means what? Live in the present. 24/7. How? Practice. Consciously, something, you let it be a thought first. Doesn't matter. That's it. You do whatever prakriya you wanted to do to remind yourself that you are this, do whatever you want to do. One Mahatma, some Pandit, somebody was sleeping, he always forgets. So in the morning he forgets what he kept. So he wrote only checklist that the clock is on table and the book is kept on almirah and this is kept on this one, water bottle is on there and pen is kept there, pencil is kept there, big list. He wrote that list and where all he kept wrote down and lastly he wrote, I am on the bed. Sariya, he forgets. When he got up from the bed, he was checking everything. He went to watch is there, is there. I am on the bed. I am missing there on the bed. ಇವರೇ ಚಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದ ಹಿಂಗ. But where you kept him? On the bed only you kept him. He was sleeping on the yesterday night. And he was screaming. It is like that. So I forget myself. Remember everything, there is no use. You remember yourself, forget everything. Best. So therefore, jnanena, only through wisdom alone, by awareness alone, by constantly, whatever you sadhana, Vedanta sadhanas are plenty. Jnanena, whatever you do, only antakkana shuddhi, bhajana, kirtana, puja, anushtana, are only for purification. But actual speaking knowledge, that is only when you bring the light, the darkness is driven away. Tesham adityavat jnanam prakashayati. Tat param jnanam, the Supreme Brahman reveals himself. Now you don't miss yourself like that also. No. The moment you recognize that I am this, I am standing there, other than all these things, there is no experiencer is required, not required there. That now I is there, the definition of I changes. Suddenly I recognize, oh, this is me. That was not I. This is I. This I is me, not that I. Suddenly this shirt I am wearing, but actually I am different from shirt. Similarly, I am different from body. I am wearing it. I am not the body. The suspashta, clear, by anubhav you will get. By anubhav. No samshayam in that. You can see your own body like this, lying down. The example munja grass is given. So many mystical examples are given in Upanishads also. But this has to, one has to try for that. Desire it. Not that we try to become immortal with the help of the body. No. A great Mahatma said, body is the cheapest material on which the karma can be functioned. Karma can be exhausted. Not on the mind. The karma phala is exhausted, all bad karma in the mind, we become psychologically diseased. He said, instead of that, let all karma be exhausted only on the body. Because body is the cheapest material. Okay. So therefore, Bhagavan says, the sage whose intellect is absorbed in that, tad buddhayastadatmanaha tannishtastat parayanaha gacchantya punaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. Therefore, the sadhana is given. Tad buddhayaha. In Yoga Vasishtha also it comes, tat chintanam, tat khatanam, anyonya tat prabodhanam. Think of that alone, talk of that alone, discuss about that alone, read about that alone. So tad buddhayaha, the buddhi, the intellect is full of that only. So shastra adhyayanam, bar repetition. Avrit, prathama avrit, dvitiya avrit, sector. Yehi काम. Intellect. So tad buddhayaha. Tadatmanaha, see, and being absorbed in that, yourself is absorbed in total self. That you become that alone. So always remember that this self is there. Actually, it is only the individual self. Actually, that alone is that. I am truly speaking. I am that self. I am not this self. This is self. Tadatmanaha, tannishtha, being established in that. Always. An example, I tell you one thing. Suppose there is a hall where men and women are separated in the satsang hall. Men and women. So the women section or men section is like that. Will you go and sit as being a man and women go in there? Why by mistake I forgot who I am. Why? We are bodily very well established about our gender. In dream, whatever your gender is, that alone you dream. I don't become a woman in dream. and run after sari shop? No. See the identification. How deep it is. It doesn't mean that you sit in ladies, sit in men's, gents side and gents. Why is Swati Gurupananda told? Because it's identification strong, so beyond identification, to sit in. That is not my idea. No. Idea is how deep it is rooted. We never forget that. Husband, wife, one almirah is there. You open and wife starts wearing pant and shirt. That may do, of course. But why husband suddenly take the sari and go? No! I forgot who I am. Suddenly I got confused whether a man or a woman. There is some psychological, some diseases are there, a different case it is. So tad buddhayaha, tadatmanaha, tanishtaha, tat parayanaha. Parayana, the only goal is that alone. Yesterday I told the example day for yesterday. What is that? Haridwar chain. Do all kinds of natak there, but never forget to hold on to the chain. If you leave it, gaya. So it's called supreme goal. Gachanti. Such a person will go where there is no return. Apanara. Why? Jnana nirdhuta. Dhoya gaya. Dhulai. Dhulai means completely washed out. I will tell you how to wash out. In olden days means your own anger, where before plastic covers have all come, we used to have only 1 or 2 cotton bags. For wheat, you have to make that wheat into powder, the mill mein. Then you have to go there and then get that, and all the wheat again, that 5 kilo wheat, 10 kilo wheat, you make the powder, whatever it is. You fill it up and bring it. Next time you go to vegetables, same bag you take, and you pull vegetables and invert the bag, you will find all the wheat powder is stuck to every brinjal, everything. Then people will say that nonsense, this is not the way you should have cleaned the bag. How to clean the bag? Invert it out, inside out, and hold it to the wall. Dhad. That is called Jnana Nirdhuta Kalmasha. Unless that happens, outside najuk cleaning, will not help. Inside out, hold it and third. Then the nirdhuta kalmasha. Okay? So one who is washed away all the sins, one whose sins are being washed away in the fire of knowledge.